Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Amazon Shopping. You will enter to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to design, you will search about Amazon Shopping like this, and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop, and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.